That's right, folks. That was bird poop. Now, can you imagine I walked all over that with my shoe? Imagine you walk inside a house. So I ask you a question. If you're one of those people who wears their shoes and bring inside their house, that's gross. So tune in for this video because we're going to talk about why you shouldn't wear shoes inside your house. It's just downright gross. Cue the intro. Howdy folks, and welcome to a brand spanking new Feet & Co video where I talk about anything and everything about foot and lower limb health. Now folks, if you haven't yet and you're enjoying my content or videos, please push that subscribe button and tap that little bell cute little bell next to it to stay notified when I drop new content. Now, in today's epic video, what I'm going to talk or remind you about will shake and bake you. It will be, if you don't know already, it'll be mind-blowing stuff and will probably create a new habit today. That's right. It's about those who get home, open the door and continue to wear their outside shoes inside the house. Now these shoes have been slurping, sliding, sucking and kissing the outdoor pavement, the train station, the public toilet, the kiddie or the dog park. No! Ow! Now, bacteria and fungi absolutely love hanging out on and inside your shoe, but the place to be would have to be the outside, the bottom of your shoe, because that's what you touch the ground with. Now, the bottom of your shoes can harbor thousands and thousands of bacteria and fungi. It's a party. And there's including one special guest, it's called E. coli, which is famous for causing you diarrhea, UTI, urinary tract infections, respiratory illnesses, and pneumonia. Nasty. No! Ow! Now, there's some of you who are enjoying this, really, and may just shrug off the fact that you have bacteria and fungus on your shoes and will continue to wear outside shoes into the home. Let me enhance the visual imaginary stimulation, if that makes sense. What if you had traces of, say, poo-poo, wee-wee, blood and vomit on the bottom of your shoe? Would you really want to bring that into your home or someone else's house? Heck no. So what should you do from here on? Take off your shoes before entering your home. It's easy. Now, when you do this, I'm going to give you two options here. First option is you can isolate your footwear in a room that's normally unlivable or dirty, such as the garage. That's where I put my shoes in, or clinic shoes in. They sit there because I don't want to bring anything into the house. Option two is for those who want to store it inside. Before storing your shoes inside a shoe cabinet or inside the hallway or front door, you must get out your antibacterial wipes and wipe the base or the outside of your shoes and allow it to air dry. For heaven's sake, please wash your hands afterwards. And if you've got guests over, do what I do most of the time. I lay out indoor slippers or thongs for them to wear, which I always disinfect before and after. Now I know it takes time to get used to this habit and even the hassle of asking a guest to take their shoes off. But if you don't, you have bacteria and fungus that comes with the unseen traces of poo-poo, wee-wee, blood and vomit. Now, for those who, I'm in the same wagon too. They're complaining about these days how kids and most of us growing up, there is 99.9% a killing of bacteria and we live in a kind of like hospital environment. Would you really want that fungus and bacteria on your floors? Please just follow the video. I know, but some things are good, some things are bad. This is not. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please tap the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please slam that subscribe button and ring that little cute bell next to it to stay in the know when I release new videos. And remember, don't wear your outside shoes into your home. And of course, remember as a reminder, walk smarter, not harder. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.
Don't take no chances, fill up all the blanks.